Hi, it's Miss Kathy from Tuneful Teaching. Today I'm going to show you a cool resource from Brain Gym that is called Lazy Eights and Alphabet Eights. It's really helpful for kids who are struggling with learning how to write. So I'm going to share my iPad screen with you so I can demonstrate how this works. Okay, so now you can see my iPad screen. The first part is called a lazy eight. I'm not sure why it's called lazy, but it's just a figure eight that's lying on its side, and that's what the Brain Gym manual calls it. So you always start in the middle, and you always end in the middle, and you just go like this. Now for this, I usually just improvise a little melody and throw some words in that would sound something like this. Do, 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 up to the left. Da 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 round da 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 dum ba dum ba dum bum ba da da. Stop in the middle. Okay, and then the alphabet 8 version adds a line right in the middle. So you start at center, you go up, you go down, and then you just complete that same exact sequence that you started with, and that's called an alphabet 8. The song I would usually sing for this is up, down, and loop around, up, down, and loop around, do 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 do. Stop in the middle. Okay, I'm going to go back to the single clean one so that I can show you how the letters fit on top of this. Some of them are on the left side, some are in the middle, and some are on the right side. So we'll do it straight through the alphabet A through Z. So A is right there. So having made that motion really helps with the motion of the circle and then the up and the down. And if kids can't do it on paper, I usually almost always start on a large surface on the wall, like a dry erase board or chalkboard. That really helps with doing the gross motor first before you start doing the fine motor. So there's the A. The B is a tall letter and it's on the right side, so it's down and it loops this way. The C is right here. And then the D starts just like the A, but it's tall. And then the E is the only letter that doesn't start near the middle. Everything starts right on the middle line, except for that C is just a little bit off left, and then the E starts on the left. So you go straight across, and then up and loop around. There's the E. The F, the tall letter right here. There's a few different ways to do the F, but I find that this one is the one that makes the most sense, and it's usually not a very challenging letter for kids anyways. But there's the F, and then the G starts just like the A, but it has a tail. The H is a tall letter, down and a hump. The I is in the middle, start at the top, it goes down, pick up, and dot. The J starts the same, but it has a tail. There it is. K is a tall letter, and it just goes straight down, and then click, click. And then L, right here. Okay, M goes dun, da, da, dun, da, da, da. And then N just has one hump, down and a hump. O is on the left side. P starts in the middle, comes straight back up, and there it is. It's best not to pick up your hand for the P in my experience. And then the Q starts just like the A, but it has a backwards tail. The R is down and a flag. The S is curvy S. And then we have a tall letter T. And then the U starts right here in the middle, U and down. And then we have V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so once you know how they all fit, then the next thing I will often do is do just the letters on the left side, followed by the letters in the middle, and then the letters on the right side. And I do have a song for that, so I'm going to show that to you next.